In this video, we will guide you through the process of registering a uTrust FIDO2 security key with your Dropbox account. Once you have logged into Dropbox, click your account avatar in the upper right corner of the screen and choose Settings. From the options at the top of the screen, select Security. Find the section on this page labeled Two-Step Verification. If two-step verification is turned off, you'll need to toggle it on. Within this section, locate the subsection Security Keys and click on the Add button on the right. A pop-up window will appear. Click the button labeled Begin Setup. You may be prompted to enter your password. Please do so at this time and click Next. You will now be prompted to insert your uTrust FIDO2 security key. Insert your key and click the Key Inserted button. You will be prompted to scan your fingerprint at this time. Just tap the button on your security key. If you have associated a PIN with your security key, you will be prompted to enter that PIN. If not, please create a new PIN at this time. You may be prompted to tap the touch sensor on your security key again. A new pop-up from Dropbox.com may appear at this time, requesting access to see the make and model of your security key. You can click Allow. Your key has been added. You should now see a prompt to name your security key. We recommend naming your key at this time. In the event that a key is lost or damaged, having keys named will aid in removing them from your accounts. It is also recommended that you register a primary key for routine account authentication and a backup key in the event the primary key is lost or destroyed. Your uTrust FIDO2 NFC Security Key is now registered with your Dropbox account. You will now be prompted to authenticate to your account with the security key when logging in on separate devices.